24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C sensor with EOS 100-6400H12800. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF. Optical Viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage. Use the EOS Utility Webcam beta software, Mac and Windows, to turn your compatible Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Perfect for beginners, this camera bundle offers the essential tools needed to take your SLR skills to new heights, all in one convenient package. No matter where your next adventure takes you, count on the EOS Rebel T7's impressive 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and wide ISO range of 100-6400H12800 to capture high-quality images, even in low-light situations. Top reviews from the United States. I've loved Canon since I traded up years ago from my beginner point and shoot. This camera was a treat for myself when I decided to start my bucket list and visit Scotland. It did not disappoint. A great upgrade to my 12-year-old Rebel. Easy to use, outstanding pictures. Couldn't be happier.